Okay, Kiko, my friend, you will see. I will show you again because my WhatsApp is a fucking disconnect me again. So terrible. And we still waiting my time. You see, this is the own audio cable, right? Audio cable, the new. This is the old audio cable. I use it, but it's okay, no problem. And this is the new one. A white one is a new one. Okay, I will plug this to A4L box. And this is the HDMI cable from you. This came from your box, okay? This came from your box, and this is a new speaker. This is a new speaker, new one, okay? And the speaker is okay, you know? I will open the speaker, and I will use the sound from my computer via HDMI cable, and output is the audio port sent to the speaker, okay? And then you will hear the sound. Okay. Absolutely. This is the HDMI problem. And then I will show you again if I unplug this, and back to my computer. I will use the sound from my computer to speaker. You will see. Listen to sound. Listen to sound. Yes, absolutely, no problem. With my speaker and the new audio cable, okay? Then it had only one problem, is from the HDMI box. Okay? I hope I don't want to do this again. Okay, it's hard to contact you and with what the fucking app WhatsApp is so terrible. Thank you.